What if I told you that some of the world's most stunning and valuable gemstones are hiding in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered by someone like you? You don't need to go deep into a mine, cross dangerous jungles, or have millions of dollars in equipment. In fact, you might just find one in your backyard, along a hiking trail, or after a heavy rain. Today, we're counting down 10 valuable gemstones that are surprisingly easy to find, and some of them might just change your life. Stick around, because number 3 on this list has turned ordinary people into overnight millionaires. Let's get start 1. Garnets are fiery, deep red gemstones often mistaken for rubies. But did you know they're also among the easiest valuable gems to find? They commonly occur in riverbeds, metamorphic rocks, and loose soil, especially in places like Idaho, New York, and North Carolina. People have literally found garnets while walking their dog or collecting pebbles along a creek. Although many garnets are semi-precious, larger or rare varieties like the green savorite or color change garnets can sell for thousands of dollars per carat. And all it takes is a little observation and some luck. 2. Quartz, amethyst, and citrine. Quartz is the most abundant crystal on Earth, but that doesn't mean it's not valuable. Clear quartz, smoky quartz, rose quartz, and especially purple amethyst and golden citrine can all be found without digging deep. In places like Arkansas, Brazil, and even roadside cuts, massive quartz clusters have been unearthed by collectors and kids alike. And here's the kicker. Museum-quality amethyst geodes can fetch thousands of dollars, especially ones with deep color saturation and minimal fractures. Some people even display entire furniture-sized geodes as natural art pieces. So if you spot a shiny pointed crystal in the soil, don't ignore it. 3. Peridot. Peridot is the gemstone of volcanoes. Literally, formed deep inside the Earth's mantle, peridot often reaches the surface through volcanic eruptions. That means you can find it in volcanic areas like Hawaii, Arizona, and parts of Pakistan. The gem itself glows a luminous green, almost as if it were lit from within. And here's where it gets wild. The beaches of Hawaii are littered with microscopic grains of peridot, giving some sands a greenish tint. High-quality peridot can command impressive prices, especially larger specimens with no inclusions. So next time you're near a volcanic zone, keep your eyes on the ground. 4. Opal. If you've ever seen an opal catch the light, you know how magical it looks. That rainbow fire dancing inside the stone? It's no illusion. Opals are made of millions of microscopic silica spheres. And yes, they're found in several places where casual collectors are welcome to search. States like Nevada and Oregon are home to public opal mines, where visitors regularly find stunning fire opals and even precious black opals. And get this, in Australia, opal nuts found in the wild are opened like geodes to reveal hidden treasure inside. Some opals have sold for over $1 million, all from chance discoveries. Would you crack one open? 5. Topaz. Topaz is one of the unsung heroes of the gemstone world. People think it's common until they learn what imperial topaz is worth. You can find topaz in Texas, Utah, and even parts of Mexico and Brazil. In some areas, topaz crystals can be picked right off the surface of the ground. Most are colorless or light blue, but occasionally you'll find pink, golden, or champagne-colored stones. Imperial topaz, with its rich golden-orange hue, can reach $1,000 per carat or more. One rockhound in Utah found a flawless 147-carat topaz just lying in a dry stream bed. 6. Tourmaline. Tourmaline is like the chameleon of the gemstone world, coming in every color imaginable. From electric green to bubblegum pink to the legendary neon blue Peridot tourmaline, this gem is both colorful and lucrative. In California and Maine, hobbyists regularly dig up tourmaline crystals in pegmatite mines, sometimes just inches below the surface. And it's not just collectors. Jewelers, designers, and investors are all after this gemstone. In 2006, a Brazilian farmer found a single Peridot tourmaline that later sold for over $1.5 million, all because he looked closely at the hillside behind his house. 7. Zircon. Before diamonds ruled the world, zircon was once king. And no, we're not talking about synthetic cubic zirconia, the cheap imitation. Natural zircon is a highly refractive, diamond-like gemstone that comes in beautiful earthy tones. Champagne, golden, even blue. Australia has some of the oldest zircon deposits on Earth, some over 4.4 billion years old, but the U.S. also has localities in Colorado and North Carolina where you can find them in loose sediment. Some zircons are so brilliant, they've been mistaken for real diamonds. And the price? Clean blue zircons can fetch hundreds per carat. 8. Moonstone. Ever seen a gem glow like moonlight? That's Moonstone. A favorite among spiritual collectors and jewelry designers, moonstones shimmer with a mysterious, milky blue light known as adolerescence. These ethereal stones are found in Sri Lanka, India, and even the Appalachian Mountains of the U.S. What makes them special isn't just their beauty, it's how easy they are to find in the wild. In some regions, moonstone pebbles are mixed into regular gravel. Rare rainbow moonstones or those with a strong, blue flash can be sold for thousands, especially when cut properly. 9. Beryl family, Aquamarine, Heliodor, Morganite. You've probably heard of emerald, but did you know emerald has siblings? The Beryl family includes Aquamarine, blue, Heliodor, yellow, and Morganite, pink, and all of them are highly valuable when clean and colorful. Aquamarine, especially, is frequently found in Colorado and California. Entire pockets of gem-quality beryl crystals have been found by campers and hikers. Morganite, with its soft pink hues, has recently become a popular diamond alternative in engagement rings. The best part? These gems often occur in pegmatites, coarse-grained rocks where crystals can grow big and beautiful. 10. Jade has been treasured for over 6,000 years in Chinese culture, symbolizing power, wisdom, and prosperity. There are two main types, nephrite and jadeite. While imperial jadeite from Myanmar sells for millions, nephrite jade is found in California, Wyoming, and British Columbia, often along riverbeds or embedded in rock outcrops. Some rockhounds have found boulder-sized jade nodules just by walking creek beds after heavy rains. And don't be fooled by dull, greenish rocks. When polished, nephrite jade can turn into a stunning work of art. That's a backyard find worth holding on to. Still watching? Now imagine this. Which of these gems might be hiding in your local area? Would you recognize it if you saw one? Let us know in the comments. Have you ever found a gemstone in the wild? Or maybe a mysterious crystal you're still trying to identify? Stay tuned. We've got one final twist that will leave you thinking twice about that boring pebble you kicked last week. So the next time you're hiking, gardening, or just walking by a creek, look closer. What looks like just another rock could be your ticket to a valuable discovery. And if you want to know how to actually spot these gems in the wild and which tools beginners should carry, subscribe now, because in our next video, we're revealing the easiest way to identify raw gemstones in nature without any special equipment. Stay curious, stay grounded, and stay sparkling. This is Michael Gems. See you in the next hunt.